There is one very like a small concept which we will discuss that. Okay. It's relating to married women. Married women and husband's liability for wife's tort. If wife commits a wrong, whether husband will be liable for it or not. Okay. So tort is what? Tort is like an uncodified law. As such, we don't have a statute. We don't have one written legislation wherein everything is mentioned. But rather, it's a development from judicial precedents or from whatever was followed in England. We have tried to incorporate that, and this law of tort has gradually developed. Now, it is derived from common law principles. At the common law, in earlier times, what happened is, if wife committed a tort, whatever be the tort, if wife committed a tort, there could be no action. There can be an action for both husband and wife. Okay, because even though wife has committed the tort, wife cannot be sued alone. You cannot file a case only against the wife, and that's why case will be filed against both husband and wife. That means husband was liable for the tort committed by the wife after marriage. After marriage, when she became his wife, the husband will be considered liable for those torts as well. Okay, so there was this legislation also, which applied in England, that is Married Women's Property Act 1882. Under this legislation, they even said that out of this relation of marriage, maybe husband has acquired some property from the wife. All right, husband acquired some property from the wife. Now, if wife had already committed some torts before marriage, for those also we can file a case against husband to recover money or compensation from this property that he has acquired. Okay, that means to the extent of profit that he is getting from this property, to the extent of value of the property, we can make the husband still liable, even though tort was committed before her marriage. Okay, so previously the situation was that we can file a case against both husband and wife, but not only against wife we cannot file. But then there were changes or reforms being made, that is Law Reform Married Women and Tortfeasors Act 1935, and it's changed the position. It's said that no, it's not like that, but wife is an individual person. We should not be making husband liable for the tort of his wife. And it does not matter whether it was committed before her marriage, after her marriage. For her wrongful deeds, husband should not be held liable. But yes, if they were both jointly doing something, joint tort features, in that case, that's the different matter. But otherwise, we should not be making the husband liable. So as of now, the situation is that if wife has done something wrong, we need to file the suit against her. If husband has done something wrong, file it against him. But if both of them together jointly does something wrong, you can file a case jointly against both of them. You can make them jointly liable, but not only based on this relation of husband and wife. We should not be troubling the husband. Okay, so that's the situation at present.